All right, here we go. Here's a perfection loop. So we're going to start with the line getting held in my left hand. Pull out about 10 inches of line to your right hand. Now with your right hand, form a back loop like this. I like to call this a butterfly wing. Now your second butterfly wing is going to go around the back. So now around the back and pinch. Now you have a loop here and here. Now you have the two butterfly wings. Now with this antenna that's sticking out, you're going to go over and between the butterfly wings. And I like to use my back finger right here and pinch that line to hold it. Okay, now to actually finish your perfection loop, you're going to pass this loop through that loop and pull it tight. It's kind of a quick movement, but once you get the hang of it, it's very simple. So that's your perfection loop.